everyone, today we will learn how to make a Rakhi, and we will use a wool to make a Rakhi in this video, and a card. You can have any card, a scissor, a Fevicol, a black paper or a piece of pink paper. Now we will start with the wool and the card. Roll your wool around the card and make a bunch of it by rolling it. I'm going to complete it. And you can leave this much of string to tie it. Now take them off. Find the center. And take the string from your fingers like this and tie this thing. The note again. Cut this out. Now make sure you have cut all of this. We have it like this. Now open this thing from two sides. One and the second. Take a brush and with the help of the brush smooth them out. You can take off the extra ones and now cut it in the circle. Make a good circle by cutting it. the step again. Cut the extra ones. Now take a black sheet and cut the eyes. Draw eyes, a nose, 2 ears, and let's cut them out. After cutting, you will have some shapes like this, and you can cut a mouth from a pink sheet. I have one smiley, 2 ears, 2 eyes, and a nose. Now take a Fevicol and let's just paste them. Let's start with the eyes, nose in the center, them also. And a smiley over here, and ears I'm going to paste. Them like this. Okay, now you have to let it dry. Now you can use any ribbon of any color. I'm using an orange one. Paste some Fevicol in the center of the ribbon and just paste your Rakhi above it and let it dry. After it will dry, you can tie to your brother it. I have one more with the pink color. You can make it look like this also. So try your own Rakhi for your brothers. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Have a good day.